Guys, Max Zanan here. I want to ask you a simple question. When was the last time you went into your service department, you pulled out, let's say, 100 repair orders to see the percentage of one line item repair orders, right? Because this is how you figure out if your service advisors are actually selling something or they're just order takers. So the follow-up question is, when was the last time you scheduled sales training for your service advisors? And if you don't know the answer to that question, then you really shouldn't be surprised with the answer to the first question. So the punchline is that unless you provide sales training for your service advisors, your one line item repair orders will be through the roof.